Describe a time when you were in a public place and you overhear a stranger talking on the phone. You should say. First bullet point, where this happened. Second one, when it happened. Third one, what is the reason was talking about. ഇതാണ് ക്യൂ കാർഡിൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ഇനി നമുക്ക് ഇതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് ഒരു ചെറിയ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ഞാൻ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്, അത് ഞാൻ പറയാം. I always try my best not to overhear any conversation, whether they come from a stranger or the people. I know, in fact, I consider that doing such a thing is generally the characteristics of a noisy person, and I have set a standard for myself not to be noisy at any time. But unfortunately, sticking to this standard just may not be easy when you are in a public place and when strangers around you talking about all sort of things, just as I couldn't do it on a few occasions. Anyway, it was not like I was actually trying to overhear the conversation of that stranger when I was sitting at a food court of a shopping mall and enjoy some gourmet foods about a few months ago. Rather, I felt like the stranger talking over his smartphone was actually trying to attract attention from other people around him by boasting about how he tricked one of his fellow co-workers to cover for him at his work by making up some fabricated story. I could call them just some lies in plain English. The conversation had continued for almost 50 minutes, which provided complete details to the person on the other end as to how the stranger was planning to use his holidays into finding some real estate properties in another city instead of actually seeing his uh, imaginary seriously sick uncle. At one point of his conversation, I even felt like moving away from the stranger after giving him some clues on how people around him were actually listening to his conversation, but I decided against it and just want to finish my food as soon as possible and leave that place. Anyway, I felt a bit awkward and also embarrassed at the same time because I overheard a conversation which was quite distasteful by my standard. I also felt like we all have some kind of secret and we all should try to keep them as such by trying not to talk about them in any kind of public places, because our secret can always be used against us.